Alrighty, Michael, here's your 427 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. It has got Borla all polished out, beautiful. Shelby valve covers. Got a set of our CNC 20 heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the March Ripper Team belt set up. Make sure alternator charges. Local rear sump oil pan. One there see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 471 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 549, peak horsepower 591. So we're at 575, the new head and the Borla runs really good. So we will pull the pipes back and make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things here. When you receive your engine, find the single for credit cards, USB card. It is full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. The engine will be this tagged. Have an engine number, some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. Flip it over, QR code, hover on that, and you'll take some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this, make the installation a lot better. Have a great day.